Join me for a short walkthrough of our listing in McGill Crossings, an upscale neighborhood in the Ross Bridge area just over a mile from the beginning of Deerfoot Parkway off Highway 150. Let's take a look at the map. We're in Hoover, Birmingham's largest suburb, and this home is just over 20 minutes from downtown Birmingham and 5 minutes from the I-459 on-ramps to head east to Atlanta or west to Tuscaloosa and beyond. And if you work at UAB, there's a shortcut to Lakeshore Parkway and Green Springs Highway that gets you to the UAB campus without ever getting on an interstate. McGill Crossings is located in Jefferson County, and the schools are zoned for Hoover. We're passing by the impressive elementary school Deer Valley right now, just next to McGill Crossings. The intermediate school is Brock's Gap, middle school is Bumpus, and the high school is Hoover High. You're surrounded with great shopping and restaurants in the area, including the Galleria, the Grove, Patton Creek, Stadium Trace Village, and many others. McGill Crossings is a private gated community in Hoover begun in 2015 with around 65 homes, with sidewalks, street lamps, gas lanterns, and uplighting for all homes. It also includes a membership to Lake Cyrus Swim and Tennis Club. There are only 5 lots left, and then the neighborhood will be built out. And they are all basement homes priced in the mid-750s. Our listing was built in 2020 and is like new. It is priced in the low 600s. Oh, hi Seymour. Let's go inside and just enjoy your walkthrough of this open floor plan with a pleasing color palette, high-end finishes and fixtures, and a cook's dream kitchen. The ensuite master is on the main level with a luxury bath and huge closet. There's also a half bath on the main level next to the stairs. So now let's head upstairs to take a quick look at the loft and the 3 additional bedrooms. Well, Seymour's leaving, so I guess I'd better wrap it up if I want to ride. As always, thanks for going on the house tour with us. Please contact us if you'd like to see this lovely home or have any suggestions for other neighborhoods you'd like to explore. We'd love to help you with all your real estate needs, buying or selling, and we promise to take good care of you.